You didn't slam the door that day. No tears, no storm, no words to say. You simply smiled, then turned to leave, like autumn winds through falling leaves. And though it hurt, I let it be. Some endings come so quietly. You left softly, like a sigh. No need for one last long goodbye. No broken glass, no midnight scream, just fading slow like half a dream. No wreckage, no apology, just silence. You left softly. I stayed and watched the light grow thin, still hoping you'd come back again. But peace can wear a stranger's face, and sometimes love just leaves no trace. They ask me why I didn't fight, but some things fade without a light. You left softly, not unkind, like someone sure of what they'd find. You didn't cry, you didn't stay, you simply chose a different way. No damage done for all to see, just quiet. You left softly. And maybe that's the way we lose, not with a bang, but with a bruise. Still warm, still whole, but never quite the same when gone from sight. You left softly, and I remained with walls untouched but rearranged. No shattered past, no bitter plea, just memories that visit me. No need for more, no guarantee, just love that left so softly. If I still think of you, I'd smile and shrug, say life moved on like people do. But deep inside I'd feel the sting of almost every spring. 'Cause time can fade the loudest song, but quiet love still lingers long. If you asked me now, truth would tremble on my face. I'd say it's fine, I'm doing well, while something in me couldn't tell. The heart's too proud, the past too loud. But yeah, if you ask me now, know the pieces never left, they just grew soft like wings of birds. I'd ask about your life and laugh, and never speak of photographs. But underneath the quiet tone, my soul would whisper, still not alone. If you ask me now, I'd hold my breath, still dancing near what love had left. I'd tell you thank you for the past, but wish that last time didn't last. I'd hide the how, I'd change the vow, but truth is, if you asked me now, and if you ever miss us too, don't ask, just know I never stop missing you. If you ask me now, with all this time, I'd still pretend that I was fine. But if you listen past my tone, you'd hear a heart still not alone. It's been so long, but I'd say yes, if you asked me now. Didn't come with fireworks, no sudden spark, no spoken perks. You walked into my scattered life and brought me calm instead of strife. You never tried to fix the mess, just held me close in quietness. Thank you for the quiet, the kind that doesn't fade, the soundless love that softly stood when every loud one strayed. You didn't fight, you didn't write, but you were there each heavy night. No grand hello, no long goodbye, just quiet, and I thank you why. Didn't beg me not to go, but left the porch light steady glow. You didn't cry or close the gate, just let me choose, just let me wait. And though we lost what we had grown, you gave me stillness I'd never known. Thank you for the quiet, the look that said enough, the hands that didn't grip too tight, the love that wasn't tough. I've known the wild, I've known the fire, but yours was warmth I still admire. No need to scream, no need to try, just quiet, and I know why. Some love will shout and leave a scar. Yours faded slow but traveled far. Thank you for the quiet, for every silent day. You loved me soft, you let me go, but part of you still stays. No music swell, no crowd to cry, just gentle love. and a soft goodbye. Scream, we didn't fight, just sat in silence through the night. You held your breath, I held your gaze, and both our hearts began to fade. No final act, no curtain fall, just quiet truth between us all. We both knew it wasn't a lack of love, it wasn't words we didn't say, or stars we dreamed of. It wasn't wrong, it wasn't right, just two souls drifting out of light. We didn't break, we just passed through, and deep inside we both knew. You smiled like someone still in pain, and I pretended not to strain. We talked of work, we talked of rain, but nothing touched us quite the same. We held on tight, we let go slow, and somehow both still had to go. We both knew before goodbye was said, before we cleared the coffee cups and made the bed. We didn't cry, we didn't cling, just walked away from everything. No promises we had to rue, because somehow we both knew. And maybe love's not always lost, it just outgrows what it once cost. We both knew, and that was grace, to leave with love still in its place. No bitter and no shattered hue, just love too wide for me and you.